Hey guys, this is Kanaba5Yang here. I'm doing an interesting video this time. Here we have a Lasko rebranded John Electric box fan. So, there's something wrong with it. It's very squeaky. I've oiled it many times. And it it'll last about a couple days, couple weeks maybe, and then it'll start to get dry up again. And this is the oil I use. 3-in-1 motor oil, I guess you can motor oil, and it's not for fans. It's for just about anything, just for fans. But I use it. Nonetheless, I use it. So I'll show you what it's doing. I'll plug it in so you can hear it. Be aware, it's really loud. Okay. So here's high. We're going to only turn on for a very short time because I don't want to wreck the bearings on this. Here's high. High, medium, low, off. So yeah. Yeah. So that's really, that's what it does. It was doing it worse earlier, but I kind of broke it just a little bit. So I'm going, in between I'm going to pause this video while I take the whole grill apart. I'm going to unscrew all the screws, and I'm going to take the grill apart and take the blade. I'm going to take the grill off, pause it to take the blades off just in case there's any troubles, and then I'll start back up the video again so you can watch me take off the grill. There is other videos that people have taken the blades off. I'm just not going to show it right now. I'm going to use my handy dandy Black & Decker screw drill, and hopefully I won't strip the screws this time. And I just need to find my okay, there we go. My handy dandy tools here. Oops. There we go. Oops. Turn the right way. This takes a lot less time than using a manual screwdriver. It's loose. Really never done a video like this before, but I choose to do it. This time I decided I was going to do it. Okay, so that's off. Oh, there goes my clock. Sorry about that, that's my clock on the wall. This grill's kind of dusty. Actually, you know what? I'll show you how to pull the blades off. Okay, what are you gonna do? So you got the grill off here. Got the grill off. What you're gonna do is you're gonna takes two sides, you're gonna pull like this, you're gonna wiggle it back and forth, and voila, the blades come off. It takes a little muscle, but you can get it off. Actually, these blades are dusty, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. So the blade's off, and now we're going to give it some drops of oil. Actually, sorry, it's on my bed. Oops, that didn't sound good. Well, okay, that was fine. Okay, I'm going to lean up against like this. And I should probably get something to lay it down so it doesn't. I'm gonna put my camera on my toolbox here so it can watch me put the oil inside. Okay. So I'm gonna do. I got my handy dandy 3-in-1 oil here. Pop this cap off, and I'm gonna put some. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some right in between where the shaft is here, where the shaft or the motor is. That's where I'm gonna put the oil. It's stiff, can barely turn it. So that's where we're gonna put some oil in it. Okay. You want to do a little bit at a time so it doesn't spill inside the motor, so it doesn't spill where it's not supposed to go. Oop. Then you're gonna move it. You're gonna spin it. When you turn, you're gonna spin it like I'm doing right now. You're gonna move it. You're gonna wiggle the shaft up and down. I always put quite a bit. This is still not. Oops. I'm gonna let that drain inside there. It could. This. I keep doing this all the time with this fan. It's just a recent thing that started. Got 15 minutes left on my thing. So I'm going to put a couple more drops and there we go. That should be good. I'm going to go grab, I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab a paper towel to wipe this off and I'll be right back. Then we're going to put the grill back on. So I'm going to pause the camera while I go. BRB. Okay guys, we are back. Okay, now we're back. Now we're gonna put the grill back on. Now we're gonna put the grill back on the fan. Now the blades first. Gonna put, obviously put the blade on. The blade to going back on, it's a little bit difficult. So, you know, I just actually figured that out from another how to put back on from another YouTuber. And gotta try to get it on just so it because it has to line up with, there we go. Oops, nope, thought I had that. Oh, did not have that. Okay, I thought I had that. This can be a little difficult. Especially, you know, normally I have the other, oh shit. Excuse my language, sorry about that guys. Yeah, putting this blade back on can be just a little bit difficult. Like I said, I gotta actually set the, okay. Put it this way. Sometimes I just spin it around just to see where I get the right area here, where I can. Oops. This is gonna be a little difficult than it's not gonna go back in very easily for me, I guess. See, if I had taken the back grill off, it would have been much easier, but I didn't think I really need to take the back grill off just to oil the motor, to oil the front of the motor. So, I think I'm gonna oops, that didn't sound good. See if I can look. No, it's not right. Like I said, I think I'll end up having to pause the video if this isn't. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take in the back grill, just the back screws, so I can, the front screws, because I can't do it really well with the. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get this blade back on. He's over here for a minute. I might just take the whole grill off. I think it's easier that way. Okay. Hope that grill disc. Screw that's stripped here, I guess. That's no good. Alright, never mind. I just want to get this blade back on. Sorry about this, guys. It's taking longer than it should. I'll measure my battery. I think like 14. My shit. Just gotta find the right. There we go. Now I got that blade in. Okay. Now it's spinning freely now. Okay. Now let's test it. Let's test our work. Let me get the back grill on, and since the okay. Yeah. That was a long process. I'm gonna pause this video again because I gotta grab something out of the toolbox. Gotta grab a screwdriver.